Thank you guys. Hi everyone, ito po. Pagpasensya nyo na po yung boses ko na. So, makakalap po ako. But anyway, I am so happy to see all of your faces tonight. I think, may nasa taas pa po na. Hello, anyway, I have nothing to say but really thank you and our gratitude. I think on behalf of Other Philippines, we are super thankful to each and every one of you for your support this 2025. And you know, since day one, you are there to us, especially not only to Other Philippines, but of course to all the people who have been working so hard, working and dying for the brand. Of course, to Stephen, to Joby, Isan, Dennis, and of course, the rest of the hard-working team of Other Philippines. So, ayan, maraming salamat po. Week after week, alam niyo yan, month on month, and year after year, you are there to support us. So, maraming salamat po. Thank you, Mike. Ayan, so we are truly grateful. Kaya naman, hindi ko na rin papapatagalin because I think na-mention na rin ni Dennis. Of course, our lovely hosts, that we are giving away over 3 million pesos worth of prizes tonight. Diba? Masyadong maliit lang yan. Masyadong small things lang. Ayan, tsaka wala masyadong laman yung ano namin. Ayan, anyway, so I think di ko na iisa-isahin. I think kung sino man makakakuha ng Rolex, alam po namin yung address nyo. May ID rin. So, alam po namin. So, anyway, hindi ko na matatagalin po. Thank you so much for the support. And before anything else, I have a special announcement. Because tonight, it's not just, party or games, but of course, this is a night of reward. And as we award I think standout media, who've been supporting us all throughout the year. And making us #1 in terms of share of voice in Mount Water. Yes, so thank you so much. So later on, we will be revealing the top 1 who will be going home with a trip to Japan.
Whoa!
But don't worry guys, because by next year, it's a good news because we will be giving away 10 trip to Japan or maybe trip to somewhere in Asia, depende pa yan. So, but for the top 10 media partners